Ayun, alright. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Shimano Cycling World. Samahan nyo, kunin natin yung race pack natin para sa nalalapit nating event sa NTU Bike Rally. Gaganapin dito sa Singapore sa darating na Sabado ng gabi. Tara, pasok tayo. Okay, this is the 108 kilometer.
Yep.
What's inside?
Our sponsorship items.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. Yan, nakuha na natin yung ating race pack at saka race bib. So,
Each goodie bag is entitled to one. You can redeem for free.
which one?
Yeah, this one.
How to redeem?
Yeah. This one just take. Yeah, it's just take.
Just take.
Yeah.
Okay. How about my friend? I have to.
Oh yeah. Then you can do. This one is for women and this one for. So it's your.
Amen.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, these are for sale. So
Okay.
it's our past year March, and this is this year's NTU bike rally jersey. This one.
This one, how much?
This is $50.
$50.
Mm.
All right. Okay. Okay, thank you. Alright. Okay, tignan natin kung anong laman sa loob ng race pack natin. Alright, okay. Tignan natin ngayon yung laman ng race pack. Yon. Number 1, active tape. Number 2, voucher. Number 3, voucher again. Number 4, singing session. Number 5 is skincare. Number 7, voucher again. Ayos. Candy. Tinapay. Kotex. Ayos. Ayun, muscle gel. Ayun, pink salt. Cooling water. Ayos. Water. Biscuit. Ayos. Ayun, wala nang laman. Yan po yung laman ng ating race pack. See you mga idol sa darating na event this coming Saturday. Alright.